This video demonstrates how to replace the internal drive of a PowerProtect DP4400. Before you begin, please refer to the service procedure guide for detailed information and safety instructions. Use the Web UI's health screen or the ACM command line to identify the failed drive. At the command line, use the command show FRU disk to see a list of all disks and their status. In our example, the drive with ID 15 failed and should be replaced. At the front of the cabinet, locate the two SLAM latches on the left and right sides of the system. Pull the SLAM latches up to release the system from the cabinet. If the SLAM latches do not disengage, loosen the screw under each latch. To remove the system cover, rotate the latch release lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Then lift the latch until the system cover slides back. Now lift the cover away from the system. Press the release tab on the hard drive tray. Then lift the hard drive carrier handle upward and lift the carrier out of the tray. Lift up the carrier handle, then push out the edges of the carrier to disengage the tabs on the hard drive carrier from the slots on the hard drive. Place the new drive in the carrier and engage the tabs on the hard drive carrier to the slots on the hard drive. With the carrier handle open, place the carrier in the hard drive tray. Lower the hard drive carrier handle to engage the hard drive to the connector on the backplane and lock the hard drive in place. Align the tabs on the system cover with the guide slots on the system. Push the latch down and rotate the latch release lock to the locked position. Push the blue slide release lock tabs forward on both rails and slide the system into the cabinet. The SLAM latches will engage to secure the system. Now tighten the screw under each latch again. When the system is powered on, the hard drive automatically begins to rebuild. This process can take up to 8 hours to complete. You are prompted when the rebuild is completed. Thank you for watching.